Hi, I'm April. Welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is homemade granola. For this recipe, you will need 3 cups of old-fashioned oats, a half teaspoon of salt, a 1/3 cup of olive oil, or you can use melted coconut oil, a half a cup of sunflower seeds. If you want to use some other seeds, you can. A half a cup of maple syrup, and give everything a really good mix. Mix it really good. You want to make sure that all the cooking oil and maple syrup are soaked into the oats. I like to press down with my spoon to make sure that the oats are soaked. And then line a baking sheet with parchment paper. You want to make sure that your baking pan's covered, that all the edges are covered with parchment paper. And then dump your granola mixture onto the parchment. And then spread the granola mixture evenly all over the pan. And then bake it at 325 for 15 minutes. And then after 15 minutes, take it out of the oven and stir it around. You want to stir it really good and then spread it back out evenly. So you want to make sure that the granola bakes evenly. And then it goes back in the oven for 15 more minutes. And take the granola back out of the oven and stir it around just like before. And after those 5 minutes are up, your granola is done baking. It should be a beautiful golden color. As it cools on the pan, it will be crispy. And then make a funnel with the parchment paper that the granola is on, so it makes it easy to dump the granola into a mason jar. The granola will keep fresh in an airtight container up to 2 weeks, left on your counter or in your pantry. Thank you for watching. For more kid-friendly vegan recipes, please subscribe to my channel.